Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a cool profile picture in Canva. Whether you want to refresh your social media or just make a unique avatar, Canva makes it simple and fun. First, open Canva on your browser or app. In the search bar, type cool profile picture. You'll see a variety of templates curated just for profile pictures. Scroll through and select a template that matches your style or vibe. Don't rush. Pick one that really represents you. Click Customize this template to open Canva's editor. Adjust colors, fonts, and other design elements to fit your personality or brand. This ensures your profile picture stands out. Next, add a personal touch by uploading your own photo. Click Uploads on the left menu, then drag and drop your image into Canva. Position your photo in the template, crop if needed, and make sure colors and layout look cohesive. Double check any text alignment or spelling. Once you're happy with your design, click Download and choose a file type. JPEG or PNG works best for online profiles. And there you have it. A unique, cool profile picture created in Canva. Feel free to experiment with templates and styles to keep your profile fresh. Thanks for watching.